Inspired by large-scale light festivals happening across the world, Blink's event organizers set out to create something similar, but with a spirit and style that felt uniquely Cincinnati. Spanning 40 blocks along the Ohio riverfront, this free, biennial phenomenon unites people of all backgrounds through the power of art, light, and imagination.
We're really blessed that the word about Blink has really grown on an international degree, and the fact that so many international artists now think of this as a premier public art event inside the United States. You know, there's really no other large-scale lighted art festival like this in America. We have to benchmark ourselves against events in other places like Sydney, Australia, and Paris, France, and places like that. And so when people want to come that create this type of light-based artwork, and they want to come to America and exhibit, they want to come to Blink, and we're just very proud of that.
Over the course of 4 days, Blink draws millions of visitors to Cincinnati, generating an estimated economic impact of $126 million.
But the fact that that much impact is generated by free public art is like pretty amazing. And people come down and they get to experience our city in a really magical way. I think it's important to select artists from our Cincinnati region because they have great stories to tell, they have great ideas, and they live in the neighborhoods that this event takes place in, or they have been to Blink and they see how people engage with the artworks.
The opportunity to create Blink, one, was exciting because it's a chance to see my work at scale in my own backyard. Public art is powerful. It has this capability to inspire people on the street who may not typically go into arts institutions to experience work. It creates a conversation with everyday people. And I find that as an opportunity to tell stories at a larger scale.
So our mural program, we add about 15 new murals to primarily the Findlay Market District of Cincinnati. Every 2 years, those murals help liven up a neighborhood and help people enjoy the Findlay Market District, and so that impact lasts beyond it. I think what makes it special is the fact that so many people in the Cincinnati region come and experience the event, that people want to show up and be a part of this thing. Cincinnatians are proud people. I think they love that Blink is something that is homegrown and that they can be proud of. And we're just overwhelmed by the fact that so many people get to come out and support this event. It makes all the hard work from us and the artists all worth it.
My first Blink experience, I was really blown away by the people. I mean, I've been living in Cincinnati for a while, and that was the first time I've seen that amount of people in one space looking at art. It's homegrown. It belongs to Cincinnati. It's a Cincinnati-based festival that we can rally behind, and it just really showcases the brilliance of the folks, not just in Cincinnati, but in Ohio. And so I'm really proud of that. I think the artists as well, we take pride in that as well. What I also love about Blink is that it invites a wide array of artists, international artists, local artists, to come to our city, and it gives them an opportunity to learn about Ohio and Cincinnati in particular, but it also gives us as local artists an opportunity to showcase what we're doing. And we can stand firm in this idea that we are really holding it down in terms of what murals can do, what they can be transformed into, and I'm proud of that. Proud to be from Cincinnati, I'm proud to live in Cincinnati, I'm proud to make art in Cincinnati and through Blink and what it's doing. It's really awesome.